Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is pretty much just going to be an explanation of where I've been for like the past few years, because I really haven't showed my face on here. I know that my last few videos that I've uploaded are just basically with pictures and not really showing my face. The reason I have not been making videos is because I've been on an acne journey and I've been going through really bad hormonal acne. I started suffering with a hormone imbalance around the end of 2015, but right after that I went into a sinus infection and it was really bad, where I had to take so many antibiotics for like about over a year. And let me just tell you, when I was taking antibiotics, I was clear and I was so happy. I thought maybe my hormones were getting better, but as soon as I ended them, it came back with a vengeance and it just got really bad. And I just pretty much wasn't comfortable making YouTube videos because I was just on an emotional roller coaster, and I don't know, I was debating whether to share my journey or not, but just everything that I've been through, I figured if I could help at least one person or more, you know, it'd be all worth it, because I'm able to help someone with the experience that I've gone through. And not just, you know, that sinus infection surgery. It was a long process on antibiotics, and you know, I even had like a cancer scare because they found some polyps in my nose that just, it didn't look normal, and the doctor was like, I'm 100% that it's cancer. And that's just another story. So if you guys want me to do a sinus surgery video, I'll go ahead and make that. But I just really wanted to explain where I've been. And another thing that came with my hormone imbalance was the fact that I had put on weight. And at first, I really didn't see myself being heavy. Yeah, I would get on the scale and the number was really high, something that I was never used to. But I was like, okay, like I'm fine, you know? I'm healthy, I'm fit. But it took a video of mine that I tried recording, and I was like, oh my God, I was like, I am at my heaviest that I've ever been. I was like, this is what's causing my hormone imbalance. So I really want to share with you guys like my weight loss, my diet. I went to 9 different doctors trying to fix my hormone imbalance. I did not give up because my face was bad. It was like all on my forehead, my cheeks, and you know, I still have a little bit going on, but it's not as bad as how it was. Like, I just was hiding. I didn't want to go anywhere. It was just a time of my life that I guess I just wondered why. Like, why was I going through this? So there was a lot of money wasted. Pretty much I just wanted to come on here and just explain why I haven't been on YouTube lately, and just letting you guys know that I am gonna come out with my acne journey. So if you guys are suffering with acne, with hormonal imbalances, then hopefully my next videos will be able to help you out. We'll be having some giveaways on products that help my face, because all in all, I just want to be able to help people going through this. I know there's a lot of worse things out there that's going on, but I know that acne can take a toll on your self-esteem, your confidence, and if I can help, like I said, at least one person, great, you know? But I just want to go ahead and share my acne story, what helped me with no bullshit videos, because I've gone through hundreds and hundreds of videos, and I swear I've wasted so much money on products, on just basically everything that could help my face, anything that could help my hormones, from supplements to products off the shelf, from products like from doctors and stuff. And it just, a lot of money was put into this, and it's crazy how the simplest things can change your face. It can change the way you feel inside. So stay tuned on my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe and like my video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching.